We have created the most powerful tracker ever made. Surprisingly, it also features a color ink display. You can upload your favorite standby images. The ink display doesn't use any power, so it can keep tracking for a full 10 months. It supports both Apple and Google search features, making it accessible to almost all smartphone users. You can tracking whatever you want. You can also customize and save a contact info page, so the Finder can get in touch with you right away. With an IP68 waterproof rating, you can use it confidently in any environment. And despite all these powerful features, it's priced the same as other trackers.